Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it is Monday, December 14th. It's so good to be here. It's Wear Red, White, and Green Day. I've got layers of red. I've got some white on my Santa hat. I even have green on my mask. If you see me out and about today, you just see me with my cool green mask on. We're going to talk about joyfulness this week and how you can spread joyfulness and make people feel really happy around Christmas time. And also just how you can make people feel really happy all year long. So before we start talking about that, let's do the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can go ahead and have a seat while I'm getting my Santa hat back on. You know what? I'm not used to wearing hats at work, and I noticed last week that I accidentally wore my hat during the Pledge of Allegiance, and really out of respect, you're supposed to take your hat off during the Pledge of Allegiance. So I remember to take that off today. Hey, we're talking about joyfulness. Joyfulness just means like a sense of real happiness, like deep inside you happiness. This week, I want to talk about how can you spread joyfulness around Christmas time, around any time. All year long, you should be spreading joyfulness. And I want you to talk with your class this morning. What do you like to do that makes other people around you feel happy? And not just happy for a minute, but like this deep down joyfulness where they stay happy. I'll tell you one thing. Dressing up in festive clothes, that spreads a lot of joyfulness, right? So doing dress up days, it's fun, it's silly, but it also makes a lot of people really happy. So that's one fun way. Let's think of some other ways. What do you like to do to spread joyfulness and make people happy? Have a good day, Achieve.